Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be delving into a common concern that many parents face, and that's baby cough and chest congestion. It can be quite distressing to see your little one uncomfortable, but fear not. We've got some valuable insights to share. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand the importance of addressing these issues with safe and natural remedies. Babies are delicate, and we always want to ensure their well-being. That's why we're focusing on remedies that are gentle and effective. Natural remedies not only help alleviate symptoms, but also minimize the risk of any side effects. So let's prioritize the health and comfort of our little ones together. First, we'll explore the common causes of baby cough and chest congestion. Understanding the root of the issue is key to finding the right solution. Next, we'll delve into a variety of safe and natural remedies you can try at home. From steam treatments to the power of hydration, we've got you covered. And of course, we'll touch upon preventive measures to keep those coughs at bay. So whether you're a new parent seeking guidance or someone looking for additional tips, this video is for you. Stay tuned for practical advice, helpful demonstrations, and a whole lot of care for your little bundle of joy. Firstly, let's talk about the causes and common symptoms of baby cough and chest congestion. Babies can experience these issues due to a variety of reasons, such as respiratory infections, allergies, or exposure to irritants. It's essential to pay attention to symptoms like persistent coughing, wheezing, and difficulty breathing. By understanding these common reasons, you'll be better equipped to identify the underlying causes. Keep an eye out for changes in your baby's behavior, and don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider if you notice anything unusual. Now, let's discuss when it's time to seek professional medical advice. While some cases of baby cough and congestion may resolve on their own, there are clear signs that indicate the need for professional help. If your baby is having trouble breathing, shows signs of dehydration, or if the symptoms persist for more than a few days, it's crucial to consult a pediatrician. Professional guidance is essential to rule out serious conditions and ensure your baby receives the appropriate care. Remember, your pediatrician is there to help, and seeking timely advice can make a significant difference in your baby's well-being. Don't delay reaching out if you have concerns about your baby's health. So, understanding baby cough and chest congestion involves being aware of the causes, recognizing common symptoms, and knowing when to seek professional medical advice. Your baby's health is a top priority, and staying informed will empower you to provide the best care possible. Now let's discuss the importance of a conducive atmosphere for recovery. Whether you're recuperating from an illness or just trying to relax, the environment plays a pivotal role. A comfortable space can significantly impact your physical and mental well-being, promoting a faster and more effective recovery. Now let's move on to some practical tips for maintaining optimal room conditions. There are 3 key factors to consider: temperature control, humidity levels, and proper ventilation. Maintaining the right temperature is essential. Extreme temperatures can affect your sleep quality and overall comfort. Find a temperature that suits you or your baby best. Consider using a fan or a heater to regulate the room temperature accordingly. Humidity is another crucial aspect. Too much or too little humidity can lead to discomfort. Invest in a good humidifier or dehumidifier to achieve the perfect balance. This is especially important for respiratory health and overall comfort. Ensuring proper ventilation is key to creating a fresh and comfortable atmosphere. Open windows, use air purifiers, and allow fresh air to circulate. Adequate ventilation helps in maintaining a healthy and pleasant environment. For those with little ones, creating a supportive sleep environment is paramount. Babies need extra care when it comes to their sleeping space. Ensure the crib or bed is comfortable and free from potential hazards. Keep the room dimly lit during sleep to encourage a restful atmosphere. Additionally, consider soothing sounds or music to create a calming environment for your baby's healing journey. Whether it's a stuffy nose, congestion, or the common cold, these remedies are gentle and easy to try at home. Let's get started. Our first remedy involves gentle vapor rubs. When it comes to choosing a baby-safe vapor rub, always opt for products specifically designed for infants. Look for natural ingredients and avoid any that may cause irritation. Now, let's demonstrate the correct application technique. Apply a small amount to your clean hands and gently rub it onto your baby's chest. The soothing vapors can help ease congestion and promote better breathing. Always follow the recommended dosage and consult with your pediatrician if you have any concerns. Next up, we have steam therapy. This can be done using a humidifier or by creating a steamy bathroom. It's important to take some precautions to ensure safety. Using a humidifier in the baby's room can add moisture to the air, helping to relieve congestion. Alternatively, you can create a steamy bathroom by running a hot shower and sitting with your baby in the steamy environment. Remember to never leave your baby unattended in a steamy room. Now let's talk about the role of hydration and nutrition in relieving congestion. Proper fluid intake is essential, and certain foods can help ease symptoms. Ensure your baby stays hydrated by offering small sips of water or breast milk. In terms of nutrition, opt for foods that are easy to digest and won't exacerbate congestion. Consult with your pediatrician for personalized advice based on your baby's age and needs. Last but not least, elevating the head during sleep can make a significant difference. Let's explore the benefits and safe ways to do it. Elevating your baby's head during sleep can help with drainage and make breathing easier. You can use a specially designed baby-safe incline or elevate the crib slightly by placing a wedge under the mattress. Always ensure that the baby is secure and comfortable. Remember, these remedies are meant to complement professional advice, so always consult with your pediatrician. Now here are some additional tips and precautions for keeping your little ones healthy and happy. First up, let's talk about nasal care. We know how uncomfortable nasal congestion can be for your baby. It's essential to handle these tools with care to ensure your baby breathes easy. Let's take a closer look. Using nasal aspirators and saline drops can make a significant difference in relieving nasal congestion. Remember, a happy nose means a happy baby. Now, let's discuss the importance of regular monitoring. Keeping a close eye on your baby's symptoms is crucial. By doing so, you can tailor your remedies based on their response. It's like having a personalized care plan for your little one, whether it's tracking their temperature, observing their behavior, or noting changes in appetite. Regular monitoring allows you to be proactive in caring for your baby's health. Lastly, let's talk about when it's time to revisit the pediatrician. While we encourage self-care at home, there are signs that warrant a follow-up visit. It's essential for parents to trust their instincts and seek professional advice when needed. Remember, your intuition as a parent is powerful. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to schedule a visit with your pediatrician. Your baby's health is a top priority. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key points covered in this video. We explored some fantastic home remedies, and these are simple yet effective ways to provide comfort to your little ones. Now, I know it can be overwhelming when your baby is under the weather. As parents, we've all been there. It's important to remember that these remedies are meant to complement professional medical advice. If you ever feel unsure or if your baby's symptoms persist, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. To all the parents out there, you're doing an amazing job. Taking care of a sick baby is no easy task, but your love and care make all the difference. And now, I want to hear from you. What home remedies have you found effective for your baby's cough and chest congestion? Drop your experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can share our knowledge and help each other out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.